Hello, fellow Cadillac CT5V owners and others that utilize this type of gas pedal. This is an installation video on how to install the Pedal Monster by Banks. If you have this type of gas pedal, this is what it's going to look like. You need a 10mm socket. There's a little plug right here that you're going to remove to expose a 10mm socket. Take your drill, take the 10mm off. You're going to slightly move it forward or up and then back towards the driver's seat, and it pops off. Then there's a clip here that we're going to disengage. A little red tab here, it lifts up and then it comes off. Okay, then you plug it in, snap the red button back in, take the other end, stick it in here on the car side, make sure it snaps and it clicks in. Again, how to reinstall it: put the clips in first on the bottom, then slide forward, and it goes in its hole. Then take the 10mm bolt, line up the pin, snaps in, put the grommet back in,